What's up guys, it's Aubrey from the Corrigan Sisters, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make pumpkin muffins with a really good cream cheese glaze. You'll be sure to fall in love with these. So without further ado, let's get started.
Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and line a cupcake or muffin pan with 24 cupcake liners. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of dark brown sugar, 2 teaspoons pumpkin pie spice, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. In a second medium mixing bowl, combine your wet ingredients: 15 ounces pumpkin puree, 1 cup flavorless oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 3 large room temperature eggs. Whisk until fully combined. Now add your wet ingredients into the dry, whisking until smooth. Don't overmix. Now divide your batter equally into the 24 liners and bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 20 to 22 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Let cool in the pan for 15 minutes, then transfer to a cooling rack to cool completely before drizzling on the glaze. Now for the glaze. In a small bowl, add in your ingredients: 3/4 cup powdered sugar, half a teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons whipped cream cheese, and 2 to 3 tablespoons heavy cream. Mix together until smooth. Now drizzle over the cooled muffins.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did or would like to see more like this one, please hit subscribe and the notification bell down below. And these really are the best pumpkin muffins ever. So see you next time.